What's up, everybody? Hey, there's my agency right there. How cool is that? Hey, if you want to turn into a Facebook marketing genius, know more about targeting than anybody has learned basically in the last 5 years, the next 4 minutes are going to be a pretty easy watch for you. Take a look because everybody, what's up? GHL's Robin Alex getting in on my video? Everybody is doing it wrong. If you're trying to target based on interest, based on behaviors, based on all this stuff that is outdated and doesn't work anymore, and you're an agency serving local businesses, check this out because this video is going to change the way you do it and for the better. See you on the next video.
When you say audiences, what you're asking about is targeting. My number one thing is we have a free course called Lead Gen U, and it's less than 10 hours. And actually, I think like 2 hours of it is selling. So it's really 8 hours. It's a walkthrough of UpHex, and it's also best practices for Facebook ads right now. Here is what's amazing about targeting for local businesses, specifically in 2023. We talk about in this group and in Lead Gen U about targeting by psychographics. So here's what this means. We all know what AI is doing right now in the space. We can see all these cool, like fancy graphics, and we can see conversational, you know, that Air AI thing is like people are talking and now phone call. You don't think that Facebook and Google have figured out how to take a frame of a picture and know what that is about? You don't think that Google and Facebook can take the words and the intent of the language in that ad and find exactly who to target? That's what works today. The number one thing you want to do in your targeting, the number one thing you want to do is not reduce the audience size. In a local market, you're already reduced. The audience size is already reduced. So why do we keep broad, expansive targeting? Number one, because we don't want to reduce the audience size. The algorithm, the machine to learn, it needs what? Data. The less data you give it, the less it will learn. And by the way, it also needs bad data. It needs to know who not to show the ads to find who to show the ads to. So in terms of your targeting, the way that your campaigns and templates are set up from the jump in UpHex, it's God's gift to your local market. Everything is targeted perfectly from the get-go. If you want to come in and build your own templates, leave it broad, demographics only. You can use hashtags and put, if you want to say, hashtag realtors in the bottom or something. People are doing that. I don't know if it works, but I can't imagine that the algorithm, machine learning, doesn't know what hashtag realtor means. Here's the point. We use dog whistle copy and dog whistle visuals and videos to target the people in local markets, and that works. And I can tell you that works because UpHex in the last 12 months has generated over 1 million leads, well over 1 million leads at a lead cost in less than $13 on average. If it didn't work, we wouldn't get those results. Don't worry about targeting, just make awesome ads. Isn't that great? One of our ads, when you guys see a remarketing ad from UpHex, you know what it says? Make ads great again. Because we are all about making the creative side of advertising shine and then compounding your outcomes by automating the tactical part of this journey away from you. In fact, you'll see, so in this group, we've got, so Steven is here, Jeremy's here. These guys have been here for a long time, and they will respond to your questions in the UpHex community. By the way, get in the community. It's an awesome community if you're not there already. They will respond to your questions, and 9 times out of 10, if you're asking a targeting question, they'll say, leave it open, leave it broad. It's all about the ads, baby. It's all about the ads. Make ads great again.
By the way, if you're not a subscriber yet, click that notification bell, get subscribed so you can see more cool content about Facebook ads, lead generation, and ad agencies just like this.